Una cartica que yo guardo donde te escribí, que te sueñe que te quiero tanto, que hace rato está mi corazón latiendo por ti, latiendo por ti.
Hi guys, John with John's Errands. In today's tutorial, I want us to get rid of those programs in our computers that we neither use or are causing problems in our computer. And there are various ways of getting rid of unwanted programs in a computer, but there is that main common way that you can follow so that you get rid of those programs that you no longer use, or as I said, maybe they're interfering with the normal running of your computer. So what we first need to do is to access what we call the control panel in our computer, and we have various ways of accessing the control panel. In this case I'm using Windows 10, but the various ways that I'm going to show you may also be applicable in other operating systems. So the first and easiest way to access the control panel is by creating a shortcut in the desktop. This is whereby you'll just double click it and it will open it like you can see. Or you can right click your start button. When you right click your start button, you're going to see this kind of a menu from where you can also find the control panel. And the other way is searching it in your search bar. You can just search it in your search bar here. Just type control panel, and that should show the app control panel, whereby again you can just click it. So there are various ways that you can use to launch the control panel, and it is the control panel app that will help us to uninstall or get rid of these programs that we no longer need. So when we are in the control panel, we need to make sure that all the settings or our computer settings are in the category form. So just make sure that this is reading category, and then from there head on to programs, and then you'll find other two options here. Select the programs and features, and from here you're going to see a list of programs that are installed on your computer. They may not be similar with what you are seeing on my computer here. These are the programs that are installed in my computer, and I just now need to get rid of the program that I want to uninstall. And I'll simply come and point the program, right click the program, and I'll see an option uninstall. You may also want to change, but in our case we want to completely delete it from our computer. So you're just going to say uninstall, and as I said in the beginning, various programs will have different ways of uninstalling. Like the process of installing the program may be different. So depending on which program you are installing, the process can be different. But together, go to the control panel, right clicking, all that is the same. But now from there you may get various differences in terms of the process that the program will undertake that is completely uninstalled from your computer. So I get the notification telling me, are you sure you want to completely remove KMS core and all of its components? So because I want to do that, I'll just come and say yes, and the process of uninstalling that program will start immediately. It may also take time depending on which program you are uninstalling, so just be patient. And as you can see, I get also a notification that some elements could not be removed. This can be removed manually, so this is not usually the case. This also will happen with various programs. Others will not have this kind of a notification, and that's how we uninstall a program from our computer. So the process will now be repeated in each and every program that you want to uninstall. That's it for now. See you in the next video.
Una cartica que yo guardo donde te